y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 how y'all doing today? Hopefully y'all having a good day. I'm coming to you and I'm going to be making some green beans, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step how I do mine. So I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you have subscribed yet, y'all, please don't forget before you leave this video to hit the subscribe button to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. Hit the bell so that you will get a ding ding each and every time that I upload a video, okay? So let's get into this video. I hope y'all having a good day, a blessed one, and I hope y'all try this recipe. If you do, y'all don't forget to, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And if you want to contact me in any kind of way, you want to send me love mail, check the description box. I have my P.O. box, in the description. If you want to follow me on Facebook, I have that in the description box as well. So, y'all, let's get to this video. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm about to show you how I make my green beans. And these green beans, I'm going to be making them with some ham. You know, when I cut up my ham, y'all, and I dice my ham, if you didn't see that video, I will try to go and find it and link it above. But this is the ham right here, and I took it and I just cut it up into cubes, okay? This is that real ham, and I had just a little end piece of it left, so I just cut that up, and I'm going to be using this in my green beans. So the first thing I'm going to do with this ham is I want to try to draw out some of that salt flavor. So I have some reserve grease that I use to fry chicken, pork chop, whatever I may have, except for fish. And I saved that grease. And so I'm going to be using some of this grease to, kind of like crisp up. That was about... I don't even know how much that was, to tell you the truth. It was just a little bit, though. Just a little bit. Let me see. If I had to say, it might was about... maybe like a third of a cup. Yeah, maybe a third. Third of a cup of oil. So I'm going to take this ham. I'm going to let it heat up. And then I'm going to take this ham and I'm going to put it down in here, to, draw out some of that salt flavor and all that stuff, to give it a little bit more flavor. So, also I have my canned green beans. I have already drained these and I rinsed them twice in hot water. So I have that. Okay, and I have 3 cans. Alrighty. So my oil is looking like it's a little hot. I'm going to test it. Okay, my oil is a little hot, so I'm going to go ahead and drop my ham pieces in here. And I'm not trying to fry the ham. I'm just trying to, get some of the flavor out of it. Draw some of that salt flavor out. Maybe I should move y'all so y'all can see a little bit better. Hold on. So I got my ham and stuff in here, right? You see it? You see it like that? It just got a little oil in it. It's not too much though. Okay, so the ham is kind of like rendered down a little bit. That's all I was trying to do, is like just render it down a little bit, draw it up a little bit, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm taking these green beans and I'm just gonna dump them on over in here. And I'm not gonna cook these green beans for a few minutes. These green beans probably gonna be cooking for about an hour, or maybe even an hour and a half, because I don't like green beans that taste like the can. But I'm always using green beans out of the can, okay? But to get rid of that can taste, what you're gonna do is cook them for, some time. Okay? So got that. Just get all that mixed all together up in there. So now we're gonna go in with our seasonings. So I got some minced onion, and I'm going to be using a tablespoon. Hold on. I gotta see, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna be using a tablespoon and a half of minced onion. And that's for these 3 cans, y'all. Then I have some granulated onion powder. And I'm going to be using a tablespoon of that. Okay. Then I have my Tony seasoning. And I like the Tony seasoning for the green beans because it gives them that little kick that I'm going to be looking for. And so I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the Tony's. Okay. And then I have my Knorr's chicken seasoning. Bouillon seasoning. So I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of that as well. Okay. You don't want to go in with too much seasonings and then it be too salty, because you know that Knorr's chicken seasoning is salty, and you know that what is it? The Tony seasoning is salty. Okay. So now I got all this mixed up. You see that? I got all that mixed on up. We're going to add some water to this, but not just yet. Let me go ahead on and finish adding my seasonings. Not the seasonings, but you know the stuff that I'm putting in here. Okay, so hold on. Let me get one more thing. Y'all know I told y'all one time before I like to add salsa to my green beans. So this is about I want to say half a cup of salsa that I'm adding to that. You see that? That's about half a cup of salsa. So I'm going to give this a good mix on in now. And now to rinse the rest of my salsa out of this jar, I'm going to add a little water to it because I was adding water to this anyway. So I'm going to add a little water to this jar. Maybe about half a cup of water and I'll be right. Okay, instead of a half a cup, I'm going to just go ahead and add a cup, okay? A cup of water. Because we're going to be cooking this for a little while. So go ahead on and add that. Alright. Okay, also to this, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of sugar. And that's just to cut that little acid, you know, from the tomatoes. Okay. So now that we got that, I'm going to taste my broth and make sure it has enough seasonings. Y'all look at that. Y'all look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, child. Oh, gonna be some good green beans. So let me taste my broth. Tastes good to me. Okay. So now, I'm gonna let this cook down on medium for about an hour. Put my lid on here, and when it's done, I'll come back and I'll show y'all what it look like, okay? Alright y'all, this is the end results to my green beans. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, this your girl Tiana, gonna be me. Peace and blessings to each and every one of you guys.